Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best fuel pump is probably one of the most vital components for your 6.0 Powerstroke engine, ensuring it gets the fuel it needs to run smoothly. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of fuel pumps, exploring their function, common problems, and what you should consider when selecting the right one for your truck. Get ready to learn how to keep your engine performing at its best. Number 5. Motorcraft PFB 101 Fuel Pump Assembly. Are you looking for a reliable fuel pump? This Motorcraft PFB 101 is designed for a perfect fit. It is a vehicle-specific part, ensuring optimal performance. The package dimensions are 30.48 cm in height, 13.716 cm in length, and 19.558 cm in width. This ensures the product is well protected during shipping. It is designed to meet your needs. This fuel pump is designed for a vehicle-specific fit. This means it's engineered to work seamlessly with your vehicle's make and model. It is a perfect match. The PFB 101 fits multiple makes and models. To confirm compatibility, please contact the seller with your vehicle information. Make sure it is the right one for you. The part number for this fuel pump is PFB 101. This number helps you identify the exact part you need. Make sure you have the right one. This fuel pump is designed for a vehicle-specific fit. This ensures it will work properly with your car. Get yours today. What we like. This Motorcraft fuel pump offers a vehicle-specific fit, ensuring a perfect match for your truck. It's designed to work seamlessly with your existing setup. If you are looking for a reliable, direct replacement that simplifies installation, this is a great choice. What people say. Works perfectly. Comes with a new primary filter water separator already installed. It is genuine Ford Motorcraft 100%. Number 4. FLIBEN 6C3Z9G282C Fuel Pump Assembly. This is the FLIBEN Fuel Pump Assembly, designed for Ford vehicles. It's made with high-quality materials for optimal performance and longevity. Made of aluminum alloy and anodized, it ensures a longer service life. It offers high-efficiency fuel flow and operates with low noise, making it easy to install. The replacement numbers for this fuel pump assembly are 6C3Z9G282C, 6C3Z9G282C, PFB 101, and PFB 101. It's specifically designed for the 6.0 Powerstroke diesel engine. This assembly fits Ford F250, F350, F450, and F550 Super Duty models from 2003 to 2007, as well as the Excursion from 2003 to 2005. Please verify fitment before purchase. Before purchasing, carefully check the part number, model, make, and year of your vehicle to ensure compatibility. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. FLIBEN provides a 1-year warranty on this Super Duty fuel pump assembly. If you're not satisfied with it during the warranty period, they will gladly exchange it or refund your money. What we like. This FLIBEN fuel pump assembly is built for excellent performance, with high fuel flow and low noise. It's also easy to install, saving you time and hassle. If you value a balance of performance, ease of installation, and peace of mind with a warranty, then consider this one. What people say. Put it on my 2007 Ford F250 and it works fine. Been about 3 months now. Replaced my dead pump on a 2003 6.0. Took about an hour, mostly due to avoiding making a mess with the spilling diesel. Came with the correct fuel filter pre-installed even. Easy install if you have a 3/8 fuel line disconnect. Replaces original fuel pump wiring harness. Number 3. AirDog 2-5GA7 SABF 593 Fuel Lift Pump for Ford 6.0L. Are you looking to enhance your truck's performance? This pump is designed to replace the factory fuel pump. It's a reliable solution for improved fuel delivery. This AirDog 2-5G lift pump is a direct replacement for your existing fuel pump. Installation is straightforward, saving you time and effort. It's built to last. Experience a noticeable difference in your truck's throttle response. This pump provides smoother acceleration and a more responsive feel. You'll love the improved performance. Say goodbye to rough idling and sluggish acceleration. This pump ensures a consistent fuel supply, leading to a smoother driving experience. It makes a big difference. With a flow rate of 165 gallons per hour, this pump delivers ample fuel to your engine. This ensures optimal performance under various driving conditions. It's a powerful upgrade. Specifically designed for 2003 to 2007 F250 F350 Super Duty trucks with the 6.0L Powerstroke diesel engine. This ensures perfect fit and function. It is the perfect match. What we like. The AirDog 2-5G lift pump significantly improves throttle response and provides smoother acceleration. It flows a substantial 165 gallons per hour, ensuring your engine gets the fuel it needs. If you like enhanced performance and a noticeable difference in your truck's responsiveness, this is the one for you. What people say. Kit comes complete with everything you need. Worked great on my 2005 Ford F350 6.0-liter diesel. Number 2. FASS Titanium Signature Series 140 GPH Diesel Fuel System. This system is designed to protect your engine's injectors. It ensures the fuel is clean, extending the life of your engine components. This will save you money in the long run. Want to improve your fuel efficiency? This system can help. While results may vary, many users experience better gas mileage after installation. Diesel fuel can contain water, air, and debris. This system removes these contaminants. This ensures your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. Starting your engine in cold weather can be a challenge. This system improves cold weather performance. It ensures reliable starts even in freezing temperatures. We stand behind the quality of this product with a limited lifetime warranty. This provides you with peace of mind. You can be confident in its durability and performance. This fuel system is designed to support engines up to 700 horsepower. It provides the fuel flow needed for high-performance applications. It's a great choice for those seeking more power. What we like. The FASS Titanium Signature Series protects your injectors and optimizes your MPG. It removes water, air, and debris from your diesel fuel, ensuring a cleaner burn. If you are looking to maximize the lifespan of your engine components and improve fuel efficiency, this is a great choice. What people say. Easy install and worked as should. Easy install and worked as should. Number 1. FASS TSF 17165G 165 GPH fuel system for Ford 6.7L. This system is designed to safeguard your engine's fuel injection system. It helps to prevent costly repairs and extends the life of your vehicle. It effectively removes water, air, and debris from your diesel fuel. This ensures cleaner fuel delivery and optimal engine performance. By providing cleaner fuel, it can help optimize your MPG. While results may vary, many users experience improved fuel efficiency. This system enhances cold weather performance. It ensures your engine starts and runs smoothly, even in freezing temperatures. This system is capable of supporting engines up to 600 horsepower. It's a robust solution for both daily drivers and performance enthusiasts. It comes with a limited lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind. This warranty reflects the manufacturer's confidence in a product's quality and durability. What we like. This FASS Titanium Signature Series system extends the life of your injection system and removes harmful contaminants. It also improves cold weather performance, ensuring reliable starts even in freezing temperatures. If you live in a cold climate or want to protect your fuel system, you should consider this one. What people say. The fuel pump works as designed. The fuel pump is a direct replacement and fit perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.